Hey, what's going on, everyone? Back with a little daily recap here. So we're going to look at the triple Qs, which is the NASDAQ 100. Kind of another, off-putting, offsetting day today. There was some moves that presented themselves today. If you guys were day trading, there was also some fake outs. So again, this week, guys, it's not a normal trading week, right? We've had some news, we've had some numbers, this, that, and the other. But ultimately, what you have to think of is it's a big holiday week, guys. It's a big holiday week. There's not a lot of, there's not a lot of people home this week is what I'm trying to say, right? So, some of the moves are not really following through. Some of the ranges are a little bit different than what we're used to. Some of you guys are noticing just actually scalping and taking profits a lot quicker with a little bit more size is seeming to work a little bit better than trying to hold for longer pushes and extensions. Ultimately we're getting about one decent, really good follow through move a day. The rest of them are, just quick scalps. So, it is what it is. But if we look at the triple Qs and we kind of see, where exactly do they want to close this market? Do we put in a little run up here and make a test at these highs? It kind of seems like what is, going to happen. Yesterday we closed below the 5-day moving average. Today we never took out the low from yesterday. We never got above the high from yesterday. So essentially it's just an inside bar day. Nothing to really write home about. You can see a little bit of a hammer candle that's forming. And we did get back over the 5-day moving average. So typically this is bullish, right? The bulls are still here. The buyers are still defending levels. And anytime the buyers are still defending levels, you want to make sure that you kind of still stay on the right side of the trend. So as of right now, it is still kind of like a buy the dip opportunity. Although you can make money on the short side if you're looking for those scalps, just make sure it's a little bit quicker when you're taking your profits. So what I'll be looking for into tomorrow to kind of close it out is just get green and just kind of wrap it up and enjoy the holidays, enjoy the family, enjoy, taking some time off the charts. I've been working really hard on a lot of these videos and, everyone needs kind of a little bit of a break. So what I'm looking at, we're over the 5-day moving average. We've got highs at 410.50. Anything over today's highs could punch into that 410.50. If we do manage to close over 410.50 this week, by golly, look to, test 411 and it's open skies all the way to 421. We do have support here at the 5-day moving average, which is sitting at 407.77. And then we've got the rising 10-day moving average sitting at 402. Let's kind of take a look at the other indexes and see what the SPY is doing. If we look at the S&Ps, the spiders, again, bullish hammer off of the 10-day moving average. Anything over today's highs, 473, has room to start punching into 475. And ultimately we could see us, wanting to, really stretch towards 477 there. Again, bullish price action, but we do have a line in the sand here. If we do at any point in time start to lose 467.85, that's going to be your back test move for all of you guys out there looking to short. If we look at the small caps and the Russell 2000, again, same kind of price action where we finish on an inside bar day, meaning we never took out the lows, even though yesterday it looked like an absolute short position to kind of fill this gap. That level is still there. There will be a little bit of a sneaky channel below 197.50s into 196.13 and then obviously 194. But if we do confirm today's highs, we would be looking at something over 200 to try to target 202 once again. Again, don't put too much emphasis on this week. If you manage to have a green week this week, whether it's big, small, or you finished flat, hey, you escaped. You'll be back in the game next week. It's like you don't have to put all your eggs into one week's basket, right? Like don't overanalyze what's really going on. If you're able to be profitable this week, consider yourself blessed, because there's a lot of people out there still trying to push the gas, with just a little bit of time left before, ultimately we end this year off. So just try to stay safe and not blow up. It's not about trying to make a bunch of money and hit home runs right now, especially going into the new year. Let's just relax a little bit and let's just try to do what we can do when it's given to us. If you guys like this type of content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.